In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can use Remitly money transfer to send money to Mexico. If you use my referral link in the description of this video to sign up, you'll receive $10 and your first transfer free. Once you sign up on the website, you can download the mobile app and log in. You could also use the website to send money. The steps are basically the same. So at the top of the screen here, you want to ensure that you select the country that you are sending money to. So let's search for Mexico. Then you're going to select Get Started. Enter the amount of money that you want to send. It shows how much money the recipient will receive. From the drop down, select your delivery method. So here I'm going to go with cash pickup and select. Now if you go debit card deposit, the money will be available in the recipient's bank account instantly, right? So let's select and continue. Here I'm going to select the payment method. So you can choose how you want to pay. So I'll be using a debit card. And then select now continue. On this page you're going to select the location where you want the recipient to pick up the money. And this is only because we're doing the cash pickup, right? Enter the recipient's name and then select continue. Enter the city and state. If you want the recipient to receive a notification, you can enter their phone number here. However, that is optional, so you can select skip. On this page, select your payment method. On this page, you simply review your transaction and hit send. However, I do not want to send any money. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.